Hi friends, the concept of resistance to disease must have evolved simultaneously with the recognition of health and disease. Before the discovery of microbes, a number of factors were linked with occurrence of infectious disease outbreaks or epidemics. The ability of certain individuals to face deadly disease defined as resistance, which is nothing but currently termed as immunity. So today we are here to discuss about how to boost your immune system. Comment below. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Twitter account. Friends, in this video we'll discuss in detail about what is immunity, is there any type, then what are those, how does this immune system works, and lastly how we can boost our immune system. Let us see each one in detail. First one, immunity. Then what is immunity? Immunity word, doesn't it feel like a armor? Yes, it is. Then why? Because immunity protects body from pathogens, microbes and toxins. Immunity can be defined as all measures taken by the body to defend itself against toxins, foreign organisms or malignant cells. Now we'll see what are the types. Generally, immunity classified as two types. First one, innate immunity, and second one is adaptive immunity. Innate immunity, which provides barrier to infection and a rapid first line of defense. This is one of to respond first, present since birth, and the adaptive immunity provides specific immune response directed at a pathogen, induced by memory response with a more rapid immune reaction that eliminates the pathogen and prevents disease. For example, smallpox, if occurred you previously, is most unlikely to suffer from it again. In simple way, we can tell innate immunity is one which is inbuilt and adaptive immunity develops as the age goes and exposed to particular environment. We have been talking about immunity since from long. You might have doubt where it occurs and how does it work. Is it substance, organ, cell or organism? It's none. Immunity expressed from immune system when any foreign body attack on us. This immune system presents throughout our body internally as well as externally. Starting from tonsils, lymph nodes, blood, thymus, spleen, appendix, lymphatic vessels, as well as skin. This immune system protects body against infection depending on the nature of threat that might be physical or biochemical. Now we'll see how does it act against pathogen. The main parts of immune system are white blood cells, antibodies, lymphatic system, spleen and bone marrow. These contain B cells, T cells, natural killer cells, leukocytes, lymphocytes, macrophages act when any foreign body enters, and it kills these foreign bodies and protect from any infection, whether it may be bacteria, virus, fungi, toxins or foreign particles. It's little complicated process, but the thing is our body has the ability to produce these soldiers to fight against microbes. It differs from individual to individual. You must have heard that he or she has a great immunity. This is because of few factors. Let us see those. It's due to hygiene practices, living in environment, nutrients of food you eat, sleeping and supplement intake. Now we'll look into which are those which boosts your immunity. First and foremost is diet. Eating plant-based diet helps the immune system boost. Second one, adequate amount of sleep boosts your immunity. Third one, avoid smoking. Next one, exercise regularly. Maintain healthy weight. Alcohol in moderate quantity. Wash your hands frequently to avoid infection. Minimize the stress. Follow these guidelines to boost your immunity. The single most best and easiest step to boost immunity is through diet. Like any fighting force, the immune system army marches on its stomach. Healthy immune system need good regular nourishment. Diet containing plenty of micronutrients like vitamins and minerals will boost the immune system. Let us see what are those. The 7 powerful nutrients which boost immunity are vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E and PUFA. Minerals like iron, zinc and selenium do provide beneficial effect to immune system. Now let us see each one by one. First one, vitamin A. The micronutrient acts as a anti-inflammatory agent. It involved in the development of immune system and play a regulatory roles in cellular immune response. The carotenoids rich foods are carrot, mango, papaya, when consumed converted into vitamin A. The vitamin A rich foods are broccoli and spinach. They have an antioxidant effect to help strengthen the immune system against infection. Next vitamin is vitamin C. This has been the well-known nutrient for everyone when it comes to immunity. But how does it help immunity? It's a strong antioxidant which helps in fight against free radicals are known to damage the immune system. To increase your vitamin C intake, include foods like citrus fruits, gooseberry, kiwi fruit, chilies, broccoli, strawberry and tomatoes. Now we'll see how polyunsaturated fatty acids will have beneficial effect on our immune system. Omega-3 fatty acids is known to suppress inflammation and keep immune system in check. It also protects against autoimmune disorders like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis and rheumatoid arthritis. Omega-3 rich foods are fatty fish, flaxseed, walnuts and soybean. Iron, the blood-forming nutrient, carry oxygen to cells. But what about its role in immune system? The role of iron in immunity is necessary for immune cells proliferation and maturation, particularly lymphocytes associated with the generation of a specific response to infection. The richest source of iron is liver. Other sources are fish, egg, green leafy vegetables and sprouted legumes. Like vitamin C, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. Research suggests maintaining ample levels of vitamin E is crucial for healthy immune system. Wheat germ oil, almonds, sunflower seeds and spinach will fill your vitamin E requirement. Next one is zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral involved in production of certain immune cells. You can find zinc in oysters, meat, eggs, chickpeas and dairy product. Selenium seems to have a powerful effect on the immune system, including potential to slow the body's overactive response to certain aggressive forms of cancer. Selenium is known to be found in meat and meat products, whole grains, and dairy products. So, feeding your body with foods rich in vitamin A, C, E, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, zinc, and calcium will boost your immune system. So, include these foods in your diet daily. I hope this video is useful to you. To know more on different types of diet, health benefits of specific foods and nutritional suggestion, stay tuned to my channel Nutrijal. And friends, if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and also click bell button for notification. Thank you for watching. See you soon with more videos. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.